This is a crooked neck squash. So yellow squash here. And you'll see that there is a male flower, and it has a single pistil inside. This is a male, and there's no fruit underneath it here. The female, the flower, these are the female sex organs. So it has several pistils there, and it will have fruit underneath right there. Let's get in a little closer here. So I just use this is a makeup brush. You can use a paintbrush, but I like to use brushes because it captures more of the pollen from the male so that I can share it with the female. And this is what we do. So I just take the paintbrush and swab the pollen. This is fresh pollen, sorry. Then I'm going to take it to the female flower and just dab it in. You want to get right in there. You see that? I'm getting right. You can also do it with your fingers. I just like to use a paintbrush. So if you haven't done a good pollination, you're going to have deformed fruit. The fruit will just fall off, and so this part is important. That's all there is about it. It's super easy. I do it every morning, and so that's number one, to make sure you get good pollination on your flowers. Two is the plants respond to harvesting. So the more fruit that you harvest, the plant is going to reproduce more. So you don't want to get those big long fruits, zucchinis. You want to cut them early. So last night I did some harvesting, and so that means that the plant can then focus its energy on new fruit. So that is key number 2.